Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for here we will bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Gabriel Jesus will be one of our super pundits. Don't come outside, come they analyze Gabriel Jesus where Arsenal sign. So back on to say this Gabriel Jesus say it will be very critical and very productive for Arsenal, because this guy will be like their new Thierry Henry. He's going to score a lot of goals. So when you check for the preseason, you see the guy score about 7 goals. So the guy really do well. But why him know they rate preseason? He they always like to wait make the season start, because for the preseason your own fitness levels fit dey different from your opponent fitness levels. If you be say you don't train for a very long time before him come, maybe he just come from travel, just join the team, so your fitness level never really dey top notch. But when season starts, everybody go don train well, everybody go don dey in top shape, you get your fitness go don dey correct. Then if you can't score for the EPL like that, say that is what we talk, say confirm, say the guy is a very good player. But one thing is sure, one thing is guaranteed, say this guy will score up to 15 goals per season. I would say him they see from this Man City Gabriel Jesus where Arsenal buy can enter their own club. And at the same time, so Baba can talk, say all those chances where people like maybe Lacazette, people like Edin Ketia, people like Aubameyang, they missed last season. Say this Gabriel Jesus will bury him. That's one thing where in the assure all Arsenal fans, because they're getting a player that is very prolific. Person know they take IC posts, give him a half chance, he know what to do with that half chance. Even say give him 0 chance, he can create chance by himself, create opening, boom, before you know, go. So what's in the guarantee Arsenal we say they go smile for this season. So away from that, so Arsenal don't announce Ben Leno's departure, so Baba don't go join Fulham, so then thank him for everything we do for us here. Now Ramsey don't they announce as the new number 1, so they don't take over from Ben Leno. As Leno come out, they can't give Ramsey the number 1 shirt yesterday, they announced him. So we said we're very happy with him. So the number 2 officially will come be Matt Turner. Then the number 3 will come be Hein. Hein I be number 3, then number 4, Otto Concord, and don't go out on loan. So we are very happy with the way things they so fast now. Then for Larry Balogo at the same time don't join start the Rams on loan. You don't the official Arsenal self don't announce him. He joined them for a 1-year loan. So I pray I say make the guy go develop, because he know be small again. He don't pass 20 years, so you are not a small boy again. We'll learn, make it get great season. Then when you come back, we'll see what we'll do with you. Then away from that, another news we can surprise me now. This Renato Sanches. Renato Sanches don't join PSG. You get from Lille. And at just £12.5 million. So I think I've been saying we did link to this guy in the past. Almost every year now they did link to and say Arsenal one sign. But now we say the guy don't go join them. Well, it is what it is. Nothing can kill ourselves. We just you don't go join PSG. PSG just pack everybody. They collect Goalkeeper, they don't collect Sanchez now. I don't just understand what they go on for that PSG. Well, this is what it is. We wish the guy all the best of luck. Our Blackpool also don't confirm the signing of Charlie Patino on loan, 1-year loan from Arsenal. So all this our man, we just look for how they come out, they make our squad, they come down, they come out players now. This is what they do. It makes sense. So you don't go join them. We wish them all the best of luck. Until next season, we'll know whether it don't improve or we never improve. More to watch also. Then away from that, ABC de Sevilla don't come outside, they let us know say Arsenal still dey on track to terminate Bellerin contract, so that Bellerin go join Real Betis. So that's going to be the new thing wey will happen now. Those Real Betis they no get money to sign this Bellerin. Even even if Arsenal make Bellerin a free agent, Real Betis still need to sell players to create space for the guy to go join them. And because Bellerin contract for Arsenal in salary when they end in the year, it's up to like 5 to 6 million euros. That's why even the Arsenal don't they close to agreement. Say okay, may I tear my contract, then that 5 to 6 million euros, may I not pay me, may I use and settle myself, so that me I will go join Real Betis. After all, now 1 year remaining my contract, and I don't really they use me. I don't already get Tomiyasu, I even get Ben White to play for right back, and I guess Suarez to play there. Instrument Lana is also still there, even though we expect Instrument Lana to leave anytime soon because he has overstayed his welcome. We sent him out to Roma on a loan with an option to buy. He not really performed there. That's why Roma no activate the option to buy. now he's back to the Emirates where we don't see any need for him. So I never know whether Arteta still get plans for Ram. Abi they will send them out. My prayer be say make them send them out because that guy not really very useful. I beg, man go. Then for media setting, they come they ask Emil Smith Rowe say for all the players we Arsenal don't sign, say which person now really shock him the most. So Emil Smith Rowe come to say, I'm making no lie. Say Gabriel Jesus, say the guy surprised and say you know say the guy they as sharp as indeed the way the guy they play, especially for training. Say it is different when you watch the guy. Maybe you they play against Man City, then Gabriel Jesus they play against you. Come they watch and see the way they dance, the way they play. It's quite different than when you and the guy they play week in week out for training. They see what thing they do for training. Like the guy is incredible. It's ridiculous. Like he just they talk many things about Gabriel Jesus. Say the guy is a very good player, and if they happy say the guy come join and say this guy they make the team they filled with excitement. Like everybody is highly optimistic for the new season because now we know say just give this guy a chance. The guy go bust net together. That is why everybody they happy. And plus other additions so they don't add to the squad. So it will make sense come. At the same time, Emil Smith Rowe self when they talk about the EPL opener. Say you know say himself go miss the opener. Say the guy get groin problem. Many sources self don't confirm him. Say he get groin problem. So he no go fit play the first match. He go play against Crystal Palace. Then after the first match, go wait another maybe 7 days before we play again. So by then they hope say he go don't recover. No just the watch you pray make the guy recover. Because for this preseason, we don't really see glimpses of ESR at all. And as long as we don't get other players who don't join us, we don't go really feel him again. So we just watch us since they go. The main person I want to see gone. Let me Fabio Vieira. Let me see what he brings to the team. Alex Ronaldson don't they set to complete a move to Rennes in the coming days. You know say this Ronaldson now will be one used as a second choice goalkeeper, but last he no can work. So now we don't send him out on loan before, he don't go loan, he don't come back. So now we are sending him out again because this guy truly a shit packer. So make the guy find square root. Go better make them sell him. I don't know why they just the loan now. What do you want use and do in the future? I remember they said the guy I no get one atom of confidence for where in the rest like me find square root I beg. The Daily Express come outside, come let us know say Lucas Torreira they stall on a move to Galatasaray. Say Baba they consider an option. No see yesterday they tell us say he dey on him way to Galatasaray, Istanbul, to go do a medical, but come here say in change his mind, say no can enter flight again. Say they consider other options. In the wait, mean see whether other people go bid for her. Before if you know say okay maybe no get choice again, then you go be say Galatasaray and be the last resort where you go for. So well, but the watch as everything go. All my know be say make them collect money for this guy. Anybody ask Arsenal then now, nobody Arsenal go dictate where him go. Anybody will come say okay man, I give us this nigga I beg one side and it will go where may they just sell them. That is what we are talking about. We don't get time to call the full anybody. They argue say okay go here, no go here. I want to say if you like go, if you like no go. Nobody they register it because Arteta no put them for a plan at all. And Arteta prerogative that we don't go follow them they argue. Now I know why no one use the guy. On my way from that, Chelsea don't come they consider bringing back Aubameyang from Barcelona. Yes, Chelsea they consider to bring back Aubameyang. Now Fabrizio Romano now even let us know this fresh update. Say Chelsea won't sign the guy. Say Chelsea they highly interested in bringing him. And don't forget say Chelsea coach CHUKS, now they coach Aubameyang when they did for Dortmund, so he really understand the guy. Even when the guy they ask now when they misfire, CHUKS they believe say let's say Arsenal they underutilize him or maybe the pressure is too much. So he believes say him can bring the best out of Aubameyang. And why Aubameyang the reason to leave back and now they say they don't sign Lewandowski, so that in first 11 shirts if they under threat. If it no see shirts play again because all the big games the one they depend on Lewandowski. Nobody will reason inside the get. And they still get Memphis Depay, which they never even said. They still get Ansu Fati, which still play for that place. So I don't know how they want to do all these things. Well, if this guy come for Chelsea, you go mad though. Just imagine Chelsea versus Arsenal. Aubameyang go ball, they're gonna boo. The team go mad gone. We just watch Then Jamie O'Hara will be Tottenham Hotspur pundits and one of their fans. Now come outside and talk about William Saliba. So Baba can't say Saliba not very good enough for the EPL. Say make them sell him. So for me that set is the point they ask. I say what you make it talk? Say make them sell Saliba. Say no they good enough. Because they say if Arsenal can loan him out 3 times, then it means it's not good enough. So they talk nonsense. What is the purpose of loaning? I don't know. Forget say you get Tottenham Hotspur affiliation. You know me say make all the talk since we don't make a lot of sense. Get why do they send players out on loan? They send them out on loan so that they can go and develop. They don't send them out on loan so that they can go and regress and be going down, say they're not going to play well. No, now we say we don't see what they do. At least he won an award when he was in Ligue 1 as the Ligue 1 Young Player of the Year. Now we brought him back here so that he can come and replicate all those nice things we were seeing him do for Marcel. Come and do them for us. And you know they come outside because you be Tottenham Hotspur fan, but they come outside say, you don't know who the guy be, you know they good. Wait now, when league start. After all, I don't know what the world is Tottenham people say. How many points did I take Gapos last season? There'll be 2 points. Turn Hurricane, Son, everybody, Kulusevski and co. We will say we don't get anybody. Now see the form. Wait, now league starts. I'm a familiar setting, so they come they ask Gary Neville some kind of questions about Zinchenko. Say I ain't take see this Zinchenko signing where Arsenal bring. So Baba can say for him, say Zinchenko they good, quite alright. But one thing when you notice, say Zinchenko no be leader. You know, just the talk. How can you say the player is good? He's not a leader. This and that, that and that. Say everybody will be leader for team. Everybody cannot be a leader now. I don't understand. Say when you matter most, so that's Zinchenko will fit bring Arsenal, carry Arsenal across to the finish line. So after all, last season it was their loss against Crystal Palace, Tottenham Hotspur. I want to scatter Arsenal. That is why Arsenal could not go to Champions. Just say yarn dust. I know just that all these people they affiliated to Manchester United and Tottenham Hotspur. They just the downgrade of Shah. They just the mission. But no yawan. When league starts, everybody will know where they stand. So if you know watch yesterday's show, check the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click on so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day and get out.